Evernote can be a powerful tool for UPSC preparation, helping candidates organize, manage, and streamline their studies efficiently. Here's how you can use Evernote for UPSC preparation. Organizing notes, subjects and topics. Create separate notebooks for different subjects like history, geography, polity, economy, etc. Within each notebook, you can organize notes by topics, chapters, or themes for easier access. Collecting study materials. Web Clipper. Use the Evernote Web Clipper to save important articles, PDFs, and web pages directly into your notebooks. This feature helps collect study materials from various sources without losing any content. Creating flashcards. Note cards. Use the note-taking feature to create flashcards for important concepts, definitions, and facts. You can add text, images, and links to support quick revision. Scheduling and reminders. Tasks and reminders. Set reminders for exams, important dates, and revision sessions. You can create to-do lists and mark important deadlines for your preparation, ensuring a systematic approach. Saving references. Clipping and highlights. Save PDFs, handwritten notes, and book clipping to Evernote for easy reference. You can highlight important points within these documents and access them instantly. Offline access. Syncing across devices. Evernote syncs across devices, allowing seamless access to notes anytime, even offline. Sharing study material. Share notes and collaborative study materials with fellow aspirants. You can invite friends or mentors to contribute to notebooks, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Using templates. Create custom templates for answer writing practice or MCQs to streamline preparation. This ensures consistency and saves time while writing answers for mock tests or previous year papers.